Want to wrap Christmas gifts like a pro? We'll show you tips, tricks, and techniques to get you started. Let's begin with a basic wrapping technique for a gift box. Unroll enough paper to wrap all the way around your box. Avoid tears and crinkles by creasing the paper along the edges of the box as you wrap. To hide the seam, fold over the raw edge of the wrapping paper, then secure it along the edge of the box with double-sided tape. On the sides of the box, fold the wrapping paper inward to create a pointed flap at the bottom. Then fold the flap upward and secure with double-sided tape. Now, here's how to tie a classic ribbon bow. Wrap the ribbon around the bottom of your box so that one end is long and the other is short. Bring each strand to the top, twist the ribbon, and wrap the long end around the box in the other direction. Tie both ends together, adjusting your knot so that it's in the center. Then finish tying your bow. Finally, trim the ribbon tails and fluff the bow. To create different looks, try using ribbons in a variety of colors, patterns, and textures. Or go for ready-made bows and embellishments. They make it super easy to elevate your gifts. For presents with unique shapes and sizes, we've got you covered. There's a gift wrapping solution for everything under your tree. Gift sacks are a simple go-to for all kinds of goodies. And decorative gift card holders are a beautiful step up from basic envelopes. These Origami-Inspired folds are an elegant way to make a statement with your gift wrap. For this pleated design, you'll need enough paper to wrap around your box 1.5 times. Create creases by folding the paper over itself. Pinch the paper along each crease, then fold and smooth it down. Tape the underside of the pleats to keep the design together. Then just wrap your gift as you normally would. Finish with some embellishments. We used gold foil and a thin ribbon. Once you've mastered the basics, you can create all kinds of gift wrap designs using various folding techniques. Ready to start wrapping? Hobby Lobby has a wide selection of wrapping paper, ribbons, gift bags, and more to help you get ready for the holiday season. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.